Welcome to the HRS Pro Web using the import template to create reports video. This video will guide you on using the provided HRS Pro Web template to import your data into HRS Pro Web. In addition to being able to add a report manually, you have the option to use the HRS Pro spreadsheet template provided for you. This will create state-specific reports based on the criteria in the spreadsheet. From the Reports tab, click on the Import from File button. To use the template, click on Download Excel Template. The template has been provided for you to import your data into HRS Pro Web without having to create reports manually. There are two tabs on the template, one where you will enter your data and a Comments and Instructions tab, explaining what each field represents. The way HRS Pro Web imports the data, it uses column C, Reporting to State, to define what state reports will be created. This option allows you to have multiple state reports in this template. If this column is left blank, when you import the template, you will be prompted to enter a default state, and those properties will be created for that state specified as a report. The template has specific formatting and should not be altered. When copying data from another source and pasting into the template, be sure to right-click with your mouse and select Paste Values Only option. Otherwise, you will override the formatting in the spreadsheet and in return will throw validation errors upon import. The report should be saved as an XLSX file type. No other types will import properly. When you have entered your data and you've saved it as the XLSX file type, you can go ahead and import your Excel template. While on the Import from File screen, select the template that contains your property data. Select the report year. Select the holder. If only one holder, it will default to that holder. Otherwise, select the holder from the drop-down list. The reports created from the template will be for this holder and year. Select a default state. This is for column C in the template that doesn't have a state defined. Those properties will go to this default state specified report. Use the description to give this a description. This is a user-defined description of the report. When ready, click on Begin Import. A progress bar is displayed while the system is creating reports and checking for validation issues. Your file will either be successful and reports created, or there may be validation issues that you will need to address. If validation errors occur, you will need to correct those errors and then go through the import process again. Upon successful import, your imported reports display. Each report will need to be viewed, forms printed, and the NAPA file downloaded. There is no option to create the NAPA file for all reports created. These must be done one at a time. To view the state-specific report, click on View next to the report. As you can see, the state-specific report has a validation error. Each validation error needs to be addressed in order to generate forms and download the NAPA file. You can click on the hyperlink and it'll take you directly to that owner if there's a lot of owners. This one's missing an owner, so we need to add one or link an existing owner record. Once we've added the owner, click on Back to Property Details, and now the validation error is gone. So once all validation issues have been addressed, click on Generate Forms, print your cover sheet, owner letters, labels, detail summary reports, and then download your NAPA file. Please see the videos for generating forms and downloading the NAPA file. Thank you for watching the HRS Pro using the import template to create your reports video. Be sure to review the additional video series or read the FAQs for further guidance in using HRS Pro Web.